Alright, so this is a mini Beamer remote control car, and it looks a lot like a Chihuahua. Gertie, get out of the way! Anyway, this thing flies, and it is old-fashioned, and it is so cool. You have got to get one of these things. It is the fastest remote control car I have ever had. Are you ready? Alright, let's bring it up close. Alright, so this is what she looks like. That's the front. Side. And you ready? Here we go. Gertie, get out of the way. Alright, watch this. We're in a cruise. Gertie, you're ruining it. Gertie! You see how fast it is? Is that amazing or what? You're never gonna get it, Gertie. Okay, I think that pretty much sums it up, don't you?